Now, is it possible the price recoil back all the way to our entry long here, 27? Of course it is. But 32, right? 32, 27, 32, that's 5 point run already. Alrighty? So that's it. If we have to continue getting back in and out, so be it. Alrighty? We are expecting for a bounce all the way to 33, 34, and then it's gonna chop this area right here, 27, 27, 30, 30, 33, for a while. If you're scalping, taking advantage of this entry, razor sharp entry long that we had, then terrific, right? Price just went to 32. That's 5 points from where? From 27, and make sure that we continue hitting the long bottom. All right, we're not going short, not yet. All right, so if we go short, we're gonna ride it all the way to 19, right? That's where the price is gonna go if the bears take back control. 19. And once again, Capital Trade Center, big time winners. Not to mention, we didn't let smart money check us out. All right, Mystique, what is that? 34 and change, right?
Yep.
Okie dokie.
Now let's get a full on uppercut robot hold.
All righty then.
And Sean just wrote you nailed it again, Cal.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, my friend. Okay, it is what it is, right? All right, so listen, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to all of you that believe me when I told you that this drop was fishy, right? Don't believe it. It's a crush. It went from a squeeze to a crush, and we knew exactly what the support was. I told you, keep buying the low because it's gonna bounce. Stop break even, start trailing. 35, right, from our last 27, 26, right? That's only 6, 7, 8 points, but we believe in a continuation. Now, where is the price gonna go? Well, it's gonna chop these 10 points right here, 24, 34, okay? All right, so make sure that lock all your greens and like our all right, like our mantra, all right? Never let a winner turn into a loser, no matter what, all right? Because I still need to see a break of a break of all these little highs, right? Okay, so keep your green. All right, so our job, ladies and gentlemen, is let it ride all the way to 45, 44, right back to the break, which is when the smart money decided to destroy all the multimillionaire teenagers on YouTube and all the old timers as well, by the way. All righty, 45. That's what we want to ride it to. Stop break even, start trailing. Let's ride this baby all the way to 44, 44, 45. I'm not out of the woods. That's extremely important that when you understand that. All right. Our mantra: never let a winner turn into a loser. We catch once again the bottom, like we always do. Tops and bottoms, right? We caught the top yesterday. We caught the bottom today. We knew exactly where the area of support was going to be, right? We hang in there. We believe in our system. Stop, break even, let it ride. But we all know that this thing can easily drop all the way to 24, 10 points in 10 seconds. And that's it. Get the hell out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the market doing exactly what we say it was going to do. It was going to chop, right? It is 34, 24, and we know 19. It's support, goes to 21, 3 point, 2 points, 19, 20, 21, 2 points above 19, right? So those of us who believe that this drop is a fakey so far, we continue buying the low, expecting the price to eventually break 35. All right. All right. So we have to continue give the market a little bit of time and room so that we can make a determination as to whether this down move it's real, and then and only then is when we're gonna go short. In the meantime, we're gonna continue playing the long side. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember our 28. Remember 28. That's when we first started going long, and then we knew that not only what the market was going to do, but how it was going to do it, right? Leap up and down. We didn't see that it was going to continue anymore. We had our next support 19, price goes to 21, giving us another chance to continue buying the low, and we're going to continue doing the same. What is 28? It's resistance. So this is where the aggressive bears are adding to a winner right here. Those beautiful bears that are short an hour before we started trading today. They're riding this beautiful downtrend, right? We came in late, so we have to wait for a stronger resistance for us to make a decision as to when are we going to start trading the short side, if we decide to do it at all. All right, so the market is beginning to reveal itself to us. All right, okay, so we have new information, and is the following: a clean break of 34, 35, clean break of 34, 35. Price is gonna go test 45, and it's gonna continue going all the way to 47. So I'll put a line right there. Okay, so right now we're catching the bottom, catching the bottom, catching the bottom. If we are wrong and this thing never can even take 30 and it goes down, then that's not good enough resistance for us to change hats and go short. Alrighty, that's what we have today. It's a tough day today. I'm gonna say this again. Of course 28 is gonna stop it. This is our 28, the one that we've had all day today. It's okay, right, to log 21, 28, 7 points. Yeah, sure, it's okay to log 28, but it's not okay to establish a new position short, because the market it reveals itself in terms of direction sideways. I don't see a big break of 19. If it does, we're done for the day, right? Because we're not gonna go short here. We're not gonna go short here under this market conditions, right? If I had odds telling me that the low is gonna be a break out to the downside, and it's gonna continue going, and it's gonna go all the way to 500, right? Which is what we're all looking at. Then we'll totally take it, but I don't have that information yet. Okay, Mystic, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that was 19, right?
Yeah.
Okay, right? And the fight continues, and we're gonna continue doing it until I tell you we're done. So as long as we have the real levels of support, we're okay. Look at this, razor sharp entry. That doesn't mean that that we can bail anytime and just go for the weekend. Remember, it's an options expiration day, and like I said, it's Rosh Hashanah. Okay, so of course it's gonna be a tough day today. The big shots traders, they're in their houses in the Hamptons. This is all junior traders in New York and Chicago. All right, so our 19 is good for only 5 points, and then Rosh Hashanah begins. And the strike continue, right? The automobile strike.
They just started.
Yeah, that's right.